Imagine someone wrote the following question: what if humanity launched the most powerful nuclear bomb ever built, straight at the moon? At first glance, that sounds like it would be catastrophic. The moon explodes, debris rains down on Earth, maybe tidal waves wipe out the continents. But believe it or not, even the biggest nuclear bomb ever tested by humans wouldn't come close to destroying the moon. The most powerful nuclear weapon in history was the Tsar Bomba, tested by the Soviet Union in 1961. Its energy release was about 50 megatons of TNT. That's an enormous explosion, but the moon is, well, enormous. To completely blow the moon apart, you'd need enough energy to overcome its gravitational binding energy. Basically the energy holding it together, and that number is about 1.2 times 10 to the 29th power joules. For comparison, the Tsar Bomba released roughly 2 times 10 to the 17th power joules. That means you'd need about 1 trillion Tsar Bombas going off at the same time to actually destroy the moon, which unfortunately for aspiring lunar demolition experts, we do not have. So what would happen if a nuclear bomb detonated on the moon? There would be no mushroom cloud. The moon has no atmosphere, so the explosion would expand in a silent, perfectly spherical flash. The bomb would vaporize rock at the impact site, carving out a crater maybe a few hundred meters wide. For comparison, the moon already has craters hundreds of kilometers across from asteroid impacts far more energetic than any nuclear weapon we've ever built. From Earth, you might see a brief flash of light on the lunar surface. Then nothing. No shattered moon, no raining debris, just one slightly bigger crater on a surface already covered with them. In fact, astronomers estimate that meteoroids hit the moon with more total energy every single year than the entire nuclear arsenal on Earth. So nuking the moon wouldn't destroy it. It wouldn't even seriously damage it. It would just add one more scar to a world that already has millions.